We have booked our cottage for Christmas. I'm looking really forward to that. It's an entire week. We'll leave the 23rd. And I'm hoping for winter. I mean, weather is no guarantee. It might be really rough weather the entire week. So, but that is kind of the... We will still go out though. Lots of traditional food. And a lot of salmon. I remember clearly last year, Aamu. Nah, not sticks. Not really a full moon, but almost. Yeah, Aamu. It's soon dark, you know. The sun is below the horizon now. It's been for a while even. And I thought I was giving you enough fibers. Obviously bark is really good. I'm not really sure, Aamu. Perhaps. I haven't looked at dog diets for bark. Perhaps that's an essential food, I don't know. I don't think so. But I know that it is brushing your teeth. It's actually quite good thing to let them do that for not over excessively, but it's not bad for them, but I'm not sure they're supposed to eat it. Sweetie, are you going to lie down there until it's dark? Is that your plan? I think the plan is, I don't want to get home yet, so I'm lying here, chewing on a stick, so I don't have to go home yet. To make the walk longer, okay, come on, sweetie, come on. I am patient, Aamu, but there is limits to everything.